Yabantu hlalani phansi ke sanhlalani phansi yowethu if ungumuntu othanda indaba njengami, if ungumuntu othanda indaba whether this is abantu okanye zeze country, but if ungumuntu othanda indaba uzawuyazi into nokubana uGeneral Phahlane wakhe waduma. General Phahlane wakhe blow up for 91 million. Wakhe blow up for 91 million camera wadlala ngemali yeSepsi kwathi yeah uke wa famous la tata ninani makudanyaze eclassini nicathi ubana nini khona kwezindaba zabantu makudanyaze eclassini bethuli makudanyaze manibona likes manibona comments yabantase mamelani into eyenzekayo. So into eyenzekayo uGeneral Phahlane obviously thina abantu abathanda indaba siyamazi but simazi ngento enegative yoba wenze lonto yoba iSEPS mayiluze imali kwathini waphele egxothwa sharp chum. So ke ngoku kwafika bani uNkwali-Enkosi, which is General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Wafika uNkwali-Enkosi hey wangathi ngokuthi ngathi yamthethelela ngokuPhahlane hayibo sathi sajongeleyo tyurukudu uNkabinde noNkabinde wathi hey bekukho iplot against uPhahlane ewenkulu kufa. Hey sothuke naleyo nathi ba hey izawuthi nangoku makazi uPhahlane azosicacisela ngokwakhe lento yava nyalo. Wafika uPhahlane izolo at the ad hoc committee wafika uthe esazama usicacisela wathi evidence leader ungacimba uzawuzana lonto apha, ungacimba uzawuuse le platform bana uzoclearisha igama lakho. That is not going to happen because mna ndizakwenza sure ba uyayiphendulela lento yale 91 million. Hey bathathana bantase General Advocate Arendse ke ngoku i-evidence leader no General Phahlane ke athathana. Hey ndabona uDaddy P ke ngoku uba emotional ke ngoku waba emotional because guys funeka ni understand about Daddy P is a wounded man. Like I understood xa eba emotional into nokubana hey lo muntu lo usuka kude ne-abuse nokuba yi-victim uyilanto kuthiwa lixhoba lo McBride lo O'Sullivan like yey uabusiwe la mntu xa eyizanayo into yakhe kwa ilento yakhe i-bundle yakhe kuthiwa ndiyazi kuthiwa statement sakhe how many pages yabantu say he is a wounded man and I understand ke ngoku xa eyicacisa because ndimlindile mna wayicacisa yava. So indaba ke ngoku bantu ase 91 million ihamba kanje. So before he became acting national commissioner in 2014 kwasayina contract isana with a certain company, a service provider for camera kwathini. So the contract obviously bisithi the service provider is going to deliver cameras, then SEPS is going to pay and all of that sharp. But at the time national commissioner at the time wangula that lady lo wasusa from number 4 saya ku number 40 kubani nguRia, yeah I think nguRia, yes. She was the national commissioner at the time. So then was suspended. Then Lona took over. So Ria signed the contract. So when this one took over, why join the contract with Daddy P? Why join the contract with Daddy P? What? This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. And this is sign a way like and this was release as funds. Kwatin. Nyanu Daddy P. I can sign for ndonokubana ku release funds. Right? Kanti lonto izawulidela ekutheni into nokubana the company le yakusakwa suppose isupplier ezo cameras izawuhamba eyosuwisha iSEPS. Company nyani yahamba eyosuwisha iSEPS ingathi in the process 31,000 was paid to the company and there's no ba yabhatalwa after bewine icase yoba besuwisha iSEPS or whatever, but 31,000 yaphela ibhataliwe 24 not thousands, we're talking millions here. So ilendoza 24 million was basically the amount and then kwaba interest ye 7 million. Okay, fine. So 31 million was then paid out to the company. So then uDaddy P was found guilty of wasting imali yaseSEPS because ide ifikelele ubana iSEPS iyasuwishwa was because of uDaddy P basically didn't release the funds when he was supposed to release the funds. So the argument going to Daddy P is the fact that guys, I didn't release the funds because bendi bon balendo ayenzi sense. So bendiza release in 91 million njani ndibona balendo ayenzi sense. So go Arendse uthi but okusalayo we lost 31 million. Yo bantase kwangu haha from ekuqaleni kwe-ad hoc committee to until late yebantase hayi ke late izolo ngoku uDaddy P waqala ke ngoku testimony yakhe. Obviously was thinking background of everything that happened, bana Paul O'Sullivan bafika njani kwakhe and all of that, but we're gonna get into that. So kule benifuna siclearishe le part yale 91 million that took the whole day yesterday into nokubana yabona lo tata evidence lead ulide i-evidence nesigezo. You understand? Ebethi ludi evidence aphinda lidi isigezo. Evidence the whole day bantase. The whole day okay lidi evidence nesigezo. So I'm hoping that today is going to be a better day, and then we're going to get more from Daddy P, and then ke ngoku siyazi ba ke ngoku senze class proper echoyo ba okay fine uthi uDaddy P, and uDaddy P is shame guys, akakho afraid to name and shame people, and uDaddy P akavumi yonke into evumisayo le. That's why he was a victim, because akanguyela mntu kuthiwa iya left aye left, kuthiwa iya right aye right, vuma avume. So ebengayenzi lonto. That's why O'Sullivan no McBride bebengamthandisisi incam no Fikile Mbalula baphela besithi maka step aside because bebeyibona ba lo akavumi yonke into lo. That's how he became a victim. And ke ngoku masikhe simnikeni chance. Masikhe simnikeni chance ngoku sibone. Andithi umsulwa guys, hear me out. Andithi umsulwa, all I'm saying is let's give Daddy P a chance. Sibone bakuzawuthini, and then yena ixhego elile evidence lead makheliyeke isigezo. Ngezinye imini xa sifuna uthetha into eziserious uyozela, but izolo ebepetsula guys, indlela ebegeza ngayo izolo la tata